Okay, so I want to give a quick update about the continuation of the UI development process for my generator. This time I added Golden Pass. Golden Test helps us validate the design system we've created. So I'll try to get in first. Good morning, whenever you like it. Okay, here we have two tests. This is a color extension to validate color, and the typography test to validate typography. So before we can validate it, we need to generate the goldens first. This will generate golden images when we run it to update the goldens. Okay, now we have the image, the dark and light typography, and also the color, both the dark and the light ones. So how do we validate this? For example, like this, we're changing one of the colors in the color foundation. For example, this primary color should actually be secondary. When I generate it again, say for a very good test, I'll try testing it again. This will throw an exception. Exception. Why? Because there's a difference between the previously generated color and the existing one. If we run this test directly, it will generate the image. It should generate the failure point. Let's try running it directly here. So here, when it hits an exception like this, where will it indicate the failure? So here's the test image. This is the generated result. Now let's take a look. This is the color we changed earlier. The hover state for primary is using the secondary color, and the same goes for the dark mode. So if we look here, this is wrong. Now it will show the differences. Here is the master image. The master image hover should look like this. Next, it will package it. The difference is here. Now we can see that it will isolate the difference here. So we can check it. Oh, it turns out something was wrong earlier. Someone accidentally changed the color. So to maintain consistency, we validate it using the golden test. Belisita. Now if we revert back again, we return the color to the original one. Then we'll run the test again. It should be fine now. Okay. We'll wait, okay? Alright, the test is good. So that's an example of the golden taste and how it benefits them, which I can explain briefly in this video.